this out, man. Wow, look at that eagle. He is got a hold of that fish. Man, isn't that incredible? Where else can you go and watch an eagle right in front of you eat? He's not moving, man. I'm probably about 15 feet from him. Check him out. Let me see here. Let's just watch this eagle eat. Unbelievable, man. Majestic animal right here in front of me eating salmon head. Let me see what he does. Check this out, man. I'm about 10 feet from him. Unbelievable. Beautiful. Look like it's a little juvenile. Check that out, man. I'm right there. I'm right here by him. You know, I'm just not even probably about 6 feet from him. Check that out, man. Unbelievable. Just keep eating, boy. I'm gonna leave you alone. What's up, boy? You doing, boy? Hmm? Look at him, man. I'm an arm's length away from this guy. How you doing? You're freaking awesome, dude. Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone, huh? Okay, go ahead and eat, boy. Thanks for the pick.